every day felt like the same day over and over again. So I'm just happy to be back out. I know it's been a while since we've been able to play, but playing live music in front of live people is probably the coolest shit, my favorite thing, and I'll never take it for granted again. So this song's called Feels Like Home. My name's Phillip-Michael, and my toxic trait is making any stage I stand on feel like home. And now my soul's on fire. I'm a hostage of my own desire. I used to pride myself on self-control, but now the sun got me in it. Won't let go, can't go back. It's been too long, ain't got time to right these wrongs. I ain't running, I'm moving on, where I belong. Pittsburgh feels like home. No man's proud of all the things that he's done. I called it all the dirt, I called you the one. Oops, I still think about the mess that I made, but I never wonder what would be if I still can't go back. It's been too long, ain't got time to right these wrongs. I ain't running, I'm moving on, where I belong, yeah. I don't know where I'm going, but it feels like home. What's best for me might let you down. You can bury me here, but I'll be damned if I die in this town. Now, if I should so happen to perish on stage, y'all gotta FedEx my ass back to Chicago. I can't die in Pittsburgh, you know what I'm saying? Can't go back, it's been too long.